Some are rich while some have none. Still we all stand under the same sun. Different colors, different names, but deep inside we feel the same. Voices crying out